This is once again Bilal sir for you. In this video, we will check the consistency or inconsistency of a pair of linear equations. We have got a pair of linear equations, that is 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's see whether this pair of linear equations is consistent or inconsistent. For consistency, we know that there are two conditions for consistency. That is, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is the first condition, and another condition is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So if one out of these conditions will hold, that means these two equations will be consistent. If these two will not hold, then if this holds, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. If this one holds, then we say that these are inconsistent, and in this case we say these are consistent. Now let's see, if we compare these two equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, on comparing these two equations with this and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, what we get? On comparing these two equations with these two equations, we get a1 over a2 is equal to 2. What is a1? a1 is 2. What is a2? a2 is 4. And what is b1 by b2? Here b1 is minus 2 and b2 is minus 4. So this and this will go, and now we see that a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 both are equal. Now let's check c1 by c2. It is minus, c1 is minus 2. What is c2? It is minus 5. This and this will go. So this is a1 over a2, this is b1 over b2, and this is c1 over c2. And a1 over a2 is equal to, from these three ratios we get a1 over a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So which condition holds? Condition third holds. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That means these two equations will be inconsistent. These two equations will be consistent. That means inconsistent means they will have no solution. No solution means these two straight lines, or their graphs will be their graph will show that the two lines represented by these two equations will be parallel. That is all from today's lecture. Thank you.